Have you ever been stuck in a situation where you desperately need to reach out to your bank but can't seem to find the time to call customer service? Maybe you're on the go, juggling errands and appointments, or perhaps the thought of navigating an automated phone menu sends shivers down your spine. Well, fret no more, fellow financial friends, because there's a hidden gem lurking within the Capital One ecosystem, the power of text message banking. That's right, you can ditch the hold music and ditch the long wait times. Capital One offers a convenient way to get assistance and manage your accounts right from your smartphone, all through the magic of text messages. Intrigued? Let's dive into the world of texting Capital One and unlock its potential. But before we embark on this text-based banking adventure, a quick heads up. Text message functionality with Capital One isn't available to everyone just yet. It depends on the specific type of account you hold. Don't worry, we'll cover how to check your eligibility in a bit. Now, assuming you're one of the lucky Capital One customers with text message banking enabled, here's how to get started. There are actually two main ways to initiate a text conversation with Capital One. Method 1. Texting Eno directly. Eno, Capital One's virtual assistant, is your go-to-text buddy for all things banking related. Think of Eno as your friendly financial sidekick, always ready to answer your questions and help you navigate your accounts. Here's what you need to do. Grab your phone and open your trusty text messaging app. In the recipient field, enter the designated Eno number, 227 to 898. This number is specifically for texting with Eno, so make sure you save it in your contacts for future convenience. Craft your message. Remember, Eno is there to assist you with various banking tasks. Here are some examples of what you can text Eno about. Check your account balance. Text balance to get a quick snapshot of your current funds. Make a payment. Need to settle a bill? Text payment followed by the amount you want to pay and the specific account you want to pay from. Report a lost or stolen card. Unfortunately, if your card goes missing, text lost card to get the deactivation process rolling. Ask general questions. Eno is pretty knowledgeable. Got a question about your recent statement or a specific transaction? Fire away. Method 2. Texting through the Capital One mobile app. If you're already a mobile app enthusiast, you can leverage the power of texting directly within the Capital One app. Here's how. Launch the Capital One mobile app on your smartphone. Log in securely using your username and password. Locate the chat icon within the app. This icon might be situated differently depending on your specific app version, but it usually resembles a speech bubble or a message symbol. Voila! You're now connected to Eno through the app. You can ask your questions and receive assistance in a text-based format without ever leaving the app's comfort zone. Now, remember that earlier disclaimer about eligibility? Here's how to check if you can text Capital One with Eno. Head over to the Capital One website and sign into your online banking. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section of your account. Look for an option related to communication preferences or messaging. Here, you should see an indication of whether text message banking is enabled for your specific account. If you don't see the option for text message banking, don't despair. Capital One is constantly expanding its features, so keep an eye out for future updates that might introduce text functionality to your account type. Now, some of you might be wondering about security. After all, texting sensitive financial information might raise a few red flags. Here's the good news. Capital One prioritizes security. Eno will never ask for your full account number or other sensitive details via text. Additionally, you can always opt out of text message banking entirely if you feel more comfortable managing your finances through other channels. So, there you have it. Text message banking with Capital One, a convenient and efficient way to manage your finances on the go. Whether you're checking your balance, making a payment, or simply have a quick question, Eno is there to lend a virtual helping hand, all through the power of text messages. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.